Every homeowner has that one thing, that nemesis. For me, it was this: my sliding screen door. It wasn't just a door, it was an unpredictable gateway to chaos. Sometimes, it was sealed shut like a vault. Other times, it had the structural integrity of a wet napkin. The real problem wasn't the weather or bad luck. It was this tiny, rusty, old plastic case and its inconsistent, pathetic wheel. But this wasn't just about smooth rolling, it was about survival. Because lurking on the other side is my 2-year-old son, an aspiring Olympic gymnast whose signature move is the full send dive directly through the screen. The current corroded design was a liability. The door was either too easy, aka Toddler Launch Mode, or too hard, aka Dad's back is out mode. There had to be a middle ground, a golden standard of slideability. So, I took the broken piece, gave it one last glare of disgust, and got to work. Out came the digital drawing board. Fusion 360 is where you turn frustration into functional geometry. I measured the original, but this isn't a copy, it's an upgrade. The main body, beefed up. The wheel slots, perfected. I'm not just fixing a wheel, I'm building a toddler barrier. Engineered for parental peace of mind, the Creality K2 Plus got the marching orders. Black PETG, high infill, because this part needs to stand up to Hawaii sun, morning dew, and the sheer unadulterated force of a kid, fueled by pure curiosity and chocolate milk. Now, for the pro tip that separates the DIY pros from the superglue enthusiasts, threaded inserts. Why? Because a tiny screw digging into plastic is a ticking failure clock. A brass insert, heated and gently pressed into the hole, gives you a clean, metal-on-metal connection. It's a permanent solution to a temporary housing problem. Chef's kiss. Okay, let's talk springs. The spring provides the tension to keep the wheel engaged. My old spring was a little long, so a quick snip with some wire cutters, and we're good to go. The perfect tension, just enough to keep the door secure, but not so much that it sounds like a freight train when you open it. And voila! The new 3D printed wheel case slides right in, complete with its super durable threaded screws and a perfectly tensioned roller.